technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened on a flat to negative note, and thereafter the selling pressure from the last couple of trading sessions continued even today, and the Nifty ended the day on a negative note for the third consecutive day, down 100 points. The market bet was negative with 509 advances to 989 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, the IT pack and the defensives like Sun Pharma were on the losing side. TCS, Lupin, IndusInd Bank, HDFC Bank, Sun Pharma were on the losing side and were the major contributors to this fall in today's trading session, while ITC, Hindustan Unilever, Tata Steel, Hindalco, Sesa Sterlite, NTPC managed to close the day on a positive note. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can observe that after mildly recovering from the fall in yesterday's trading session, the Nifty opened just flat and the selling pressure continued throughout the day, and it ended the day on a negative note, down 100 points, closing below the 20 and 40 daily moving averages, an extremely bearish sign for the Nifty. In the coming trading sessions, we expect the selling pressure to continue. Yes, on the RV charts, you can observe that there is a extremely oversold reading on the momentum indicators. However, the selling pressure is just not stopping, and hence it would be not possible hence it is very much possible that we might not get a bounce, and the selling pressure will continue in the coming trading sessions as well. If we get a bounce, then that should be used as a selling opportunity. However, if we don't get a bounce, then once today's low is breached on the downside, that would again indicate the selling pressure can continue in the coming trading session. So once we breach below today's low, that would be again an indication that the selling should continue in the coming trading sessions. So we continue to maintain our negative stance on Nifty for a target of 85.56 on the downside. Crucial supports are placed at 85.56, which is the 50% retracement level, and below that 84.90, which is again a crucial Fibonacci retracement level. On the upside, 8661 and 8708 are crucial resistances. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was the clear underperformer in today's trading session. Yes Bank, Axis Bank, IndusInd Bank losing quite heavily in today's trading session. We expect the selling pressure in Bank Nifty to continue as well. So the trend for Bank Nifty also shall remain negative. 18,130 and 17,720 are crucial supports on the downside. On the upside, 18,427 and 18,630 are crucial resistances. So overall friends, the view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty remain negative. Since past 3 trading sessions, the Nifty has been closing in the negative. Today it has closed below the crucial 20 and 40 daily moving averages, which is an extremely bearish sign, as these are generally hold as and support. And our sense is that looking at the momentum in these stocks, we might not just get a bounce in the coming trading sessions. So the selling pressure should continue in the coming trading sessions. We continue to maintain our negative stance both on Nifty and Bank Nifty. That's all for the day. Thank you.